Make a great choice today with the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, heated rear seats, 4-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.